When I heard about the incredible biodiversity in the state of Goa, I decided to visit for vacation. With stunning coastlines, expansive wetlands, and lush forest systems, I wanted to experience the ecosystems in India's southwest firsthand. There's so much to see. These highly varied ecosystems are perfect for birds, some of whom make it their permanent home, while migratory birds come to feed, nest, or search for a mate. Goa has the distinction to host 473 species of birds. My grandmother got me interested in birds. During walks along the seashore or hikes in the forest, she would point out the different species. Like the birds, I enjoy travel, exploration, and I have a deep connection to nature. I participated in the annual bird festival hosted by the Goa Forest Department, where I had the opportunity to walk in the forest with leading experts. An early morning hike led to many sightings. If you miss the festival, there are hosted bird walks each month where you can learn about the local birds and the various habitats. We were lucky to observe the state bird of Goa, called the flame-throated bulbul. And right after that, a stunning paradise flycatcher that mesmerized me with his twirling tail. The Western Ghats Forest is home to many rare and beautiful birds. Forest birds are relatively shy, so it requires patience to spot them in the dense forest systems. Sometimes you can only hear their calls. A good ear helps to find them. Their songs are as distinct as their personalities and their habits. The thrill of discovery fuels me as I walk, pausing to scan the branches, looking for signs of movement, listening intently for the direction of the calls. If you want to see a lot of birds in the open, you can visit the wetlands, home to hundreds of species. A lot of migratory birds make Goa their vacation home. They come in search of seasonal crops, agreeable weather, and to search for love or to start a family. Famed British writer Alan Watts once said, "When we look at nature, we're really looking at our true selves. And that never seems as true as when watching birds. They perfectly reflect our nature. Each species has unique personality traits and characteristics. Birds have rituals which are entertaining to observe, their intentions so much like ours. They prance around, show off, preen themselves. And just like some friends who don't like to get their hair wet, the purple swamp hen can be very finicky about her hygiene." Goa is a treasure house of discovery just waiting for nature lovers. After all, the fun is in the discovery. Follow the birds and they'll take you on a wonderful adventure, soaring at new heights.